Introduction.
We all know that all plants need water. The wilted leaves recover when plant is added to the soil, which means that water has been conducted upwards into the leaves. Yes, we have also learned that the leaves for photosynthesis need water. Likewise, the food produced in the leaves has to be transported to other parts of the plant, including the stem, the roots, flowers and fruits, etc. All this transportation is the function of conducting tissues. Yes, Ankita, similarly, in animals, the food absorbed by the gut has to be carried to all the body parts. Oxygen absorbed in the lungs has to be transported to every cell of the body. The carbon dioxide produced in the cells has to be carried to the lungs for elimination. All such functions are the result of a transport system.
Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand the need for a system of transport in plants and animals, find out mechanism for movement of molecules such as diffusion, understand osmosis and active transport, understand the importance of blood as a medium of transport, find out the structure and function of human heart, understand the composition of blood, understand difference between arteries, veins and capillaries. Understand the major blood groups and state the matching groups for blood transfusion. Find out disorders of circulatory system. And find out the structure and function of xylem and phloem in plants. Mechanisms for movement of molecules. Molecules move in and out of a cell through the cell membrane. The cell membrane is selectively permeable to substances, which means that it permits entry and exit of certain molecules only. The movement of molecules takes place by diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Diffusion is movement of particles or molecules from a region of their higher concentration to a region of their lower concentration. For example, during respiration, oxygen-laden air in lungs, being at a higher concentration, moves into blood capillaries having lower concentration of oxygen in them. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region having more water molecules to a region having less water molecules when separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means a membrane which allows some molecules, that is, water molecules, to pass through it, but not some other larger molecules. No energy is spent during diffusion or osmosis. Active transport is movement of molecules against concentration gradient, that is, from a region of their lower concentration to a region of their higher concentration. Energy is required in active transport. Transport of materials in human beings. In the body of majority of animals, substances are transported from one part of the body to another through blood. Thus, blood is the tissue of transport and circulates throughout the body. Blood transports nutrients, respiratory gases, hormones, and waste material from one part of the body to another. Circulatory system consists of organs which make blood circulate throughout the body. Human circulatory system consists of centrally located muscular pump called heart and blood vessels which are tube-like structures connected to the heart. Blood vessels are of three kinds: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries. They carry blood from heart to various parts of the body. Veins. They bring blood from various parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries. These are thin vessels between the artery and the vein. The capillaries allow the exchange of materials between blood and tissues.